part which we are going to discuss in our regular classes here. So here the few members are new to SAP. So, but first of all, let's discuss about the what is SAP here. So SAP is a so one of the application software, one of the application software here. It's not like database. It's not a operating system. It's a application. SAP is a application here. So this application we have to install on the on top of the database, and this application we have to install on the operating systems, right? So here our role is the basis consultant. Our role is the SAP basis consultant here. So first of all, before we go with the basis, first of all, what is SAP here? SAP is a systems applications system applications and products in business data the processing. The abbreviation of the SAP is systems A for applications, P for products. System application and product in your business data processing. So in your business, if you want to process your business data, you need the one system, you need the one application software. That software is from the one of the product that is called the ERP product. So under the ERP only, we have ERP is the parent. Under the ERP software only, we have the SAP applications, right? So Oracle apps like Sibel CRM. So these all many things are PeopleSoft. These all will come into the picture here. So in this all will comes into the here under the ERP. ERP is one of the enterprise resource planning. So to plan the resources in your organization, you need to use the ERP softwares. Under means either SAP if you want to use it, or Oracle apps you want to use it, whatever the applications you have, these all are the ERP applications. Any one of the ERP application, you can use it for the your business activities here, right? So ERP applications here, enterprise resource planning. To plan the resources within the organization, you need a one application that is called SAP application you required here. So SAP application is a three-tier architecture. It's a three-tier architecture, which means initially in 1972, 5 ex-service IBM people, when they have deployed this SAP application. So 5 ex-service IBM people, 1972, so they have introduced, they have founded, right? Then almost 50 to 59 years maybe. So right, almost this years ago, they have released. After that once there is a many changes are happened in the application. There are a lot of improvements, new enhancements, new user interfaces, lot of things are happened. When they released it the first time, that is called the R1 architecture, only SAP. Then after that, they change it to it's a mainframe based R1 architecture. So then R2 architecture they have introduced, means client server architecture. Then after that, R3 architecture, it was very successful version that time. So ECC coming to the picture here. Now it is the S4 HANA architecture, S4 architecture. So R1, R2, R3, there is no R4, just simplified. So simplified business suite here, right? Fourth generation simplified business suite, that is called the S4 HANA, right? So here S4 HANA is dedicated to run only up to here. Your SAP system can run on any databases here. But when they introduced the S4 HANA, it will run only on the HANA database only. So no other databases it won't support here. That's why they have released the S4 HANA application. They have released it now market here. Why? Because they are going to end the support for the R3 architecture, means ECC systems as well. So they will end the support maybe 2027 or So yeah, 2027 or 2030 something somewhere 27 I guess. Yeah. So they are going to end it. Then after that, everybody has to go to the S4 architecture. Means S4 HANA systems we have to install it here. So that is the business case here. So, but here, what is our role here? Our role is our role. What is our scope here? What is our designation here? Our designation is the SAP basis consultant, SAP basis administrators, SAP basis architects. So, right, this is our designation here, right? We are the administrators. We are the administration of the SAP systems, SAP applications. We are the administrations, which means all the admin activities like installations, configurations, performance, application configuration, stop and start, maintenance activities, kernel upgrades, OS level activities, all kind of things we will perform it here. So without our involvement, no one in the project, the first basis involvement is required to build the systems. Otherwise, so without building the system, without building the home, how the business will start, right? So no one will start the business here. So first our involvement is required here to perform the installations, configuration, support level activities, maintenance level activities, performance related activities, anything in the system. So we as a there we have the basis administrator has the some key responsibilities here, installations, so mapping the systems, integrations and everything. With help of SAP basis only, different SAP modules will they will work on the each other, like they will work on the systems here with help of basis. Why? Because once we build the systems, then we have the functional team. With us, we are not only one people here. We have the functional team that is called the finance, controlling, AP, AR. So then AP, AR, finance, controlling here, right? PP and sales. And so there are the many modules are there, sales and distribution, EW, warehouse management. They have modules, other modules can integrate, can communicate each other here, right? So with us, with the help of Vimala, they can also work. And here we have the developers and they have the security people also available here. They do the to do the developments here. They will do the development related activities here. Here the security people will do the user IDs and organization company security standards. They will follow it here. So previously security part of the administrators only, admin team only, but they have separate security team. Nowadays it is available every organization, it is available here, right? So SAP, we have the multiple roles, multiple teams, multiple managers we may have to involve it here, multiple managers we have multiple times we have to involve it here, right? Here the basis. So here basis also there is a one abbreviation. How we have the SAP stands for systems, application and product in business data processing, while basis stands for basis. We have the basis consultant here, right? The basis stands for we have business, business application, business application software, integrated solution, integrated support or solution. So support, integrated solutions. Which means basis are the administrators are involved in the all the active starting of the system to decommission of the systems, means stopping the systems, all activities we have to perform. So there is a small abbreviation for the basis, means business application software integrated solution here. So which means all the business applications we are the so whole and soul administration team to manage the here, I mean to manage the things here. With the role of basis consultant, we can do the all the admin level activities in the system here. All the admin activities in the system here. The basis will take care of the all kind of system performance issues, slowness. So any business related help from the stopping, starting, changing the parameter configurations and everything. So we can work it out here. So coming to the the products. Suppose in SAP SAP, we have the list of SAP products are available, right? SAP just is not a one single software or one single application here, right? We have SAP, the products in the market, there are the multiple products are there in SAP here, multiple products here, SAP product here, right? SAP ERP, SAP ERP product, right? Which are discussing. And not only ERP, we have the Ariba, right? SAP Concur, SAP Concur here, SAP Concur, SAP Business One, and also Business Application Studios, Integration Suite. They are the success factor. They are the business software, access control, Sybase, HANA database, IQ, supply chain management. So they are in the more. They are not only just. So they are not only just here one. So they are in the more here. They are the more on the so products here. They are more product depends upon the business here more. So under the ERP. So ERP. So like that we have the so number of applications, number of so SAP products are there here. There are the number of products in SAP here. In that ERP, Ariba, Concur, there are the multiple things are available here, right? Multiple things are available in the system here. So product, first of all, so number of product means I told you number means we know what is mean by product here. What is mean by so number of products are there. Product means so versions, a collection of versions of a product, right? A product is a that is a product. Normally, the definitions wise, a product is a unit that is delivered visible to the customer here. One of the business users here. So that we can that product we can install it, we can renovate, we can manage it. It is called the product version here. So after the product version, you will get the software component also. So collection of all the versions of software components. So all the versions of the software components and modules and everything. So we can see it here, right? So there the how many products are there here in SAP here? SAP the mainly offers SAP mainly ERP, S4 HANA, business suite, designing their thing. Under the ERP, under the ERP here, under the ERP here, so we have so again, different products are different versions are there, different applications are. I mean to say, different SAP applications are there here, right? ECC. So under the ERP, so we have the SAP. Under SAP means we have the so different SAP so modules that we will call it as the different SAP modules here, different SAP modules here, right? So which means SAP ABAP. ABAP is the one of the module QM, CO, CRM, SD, PP, MM. So they are the FI, supply chain management. So there is a logistic management. So there are the number of types of models are there here, right? One is the functional models and the technical models here. They have modules, all SAP models, they are segregated as a two types, right? Functional models and a technical model here. So these all SAP models can integrate each other with the functionality. It provide the best business service to the customers here. Best service customers, it will provide the best one here. They are the modules here, right? HR also one part, logistics, production planning, quality management, controlling, right? Number of finance, controlling the number of things are there here in SAP here, right? So coming to the our version strategy here, SAP. So versions, the versions. Why? Because we are not going to discuss all those things, all the versions. So few things are there here. We require the some involvement here. We need to check it out here, right? Few things are there here. What are those few things here, right? So here the mainly VCC, SAP ECC is the main product for the every company. Every company ECC is the main product here. Why? Because ECC means ECC, these abbreviations are very important here. So enterprise, enterprise, so enterprise core component here, ECC, enterprise, so core component here. So every enterprise means organization, core means main. Every company, the main component is the SAP here, right? So we have the SAP core component, we have the NW, which means so NetWeaver, So Weaver here, NetWeaver here. Here the so NetWeaver platform also available in the systems here. The basic functionalities, basic business suites will provide the SAP. So ECC and NetWeaver systems here, right? So coming to the versions, SAP, the versions, release, history, all those things we'll discuss in the our initial class now here, right? SAP versions here. Let's why because no one asked these questions, but somewhat it's very important to know the some history. What is the architecture? Who German IBM 5 employees, XM people. So SAP comes from the ERP. So our role is the basis consultant. Also, how many number of modules are there available here? So coming to the SAP versions here, the version strategy here. So first, in the 1972, we don't need that much of 1972. So they have released the R1 architecture based upon the mainframe application in the IBM. So then after that, slowly they have changed the architecture to the so R2 1979. After 2 years again, after not 2 years after the so 7 years, they have changed their again. They released the new version that is called the R2 architecture, R1 and R2 architecture here. Then after that, so R2 architecture. So there are some versions, subversions, 4.6, 4.7 versions are there. Then after that, in the coming, they have changed the slight R1, R2 to the ECC versions here. So they changed naming convention ECC. Then ECC 5.0 they have released in the 2004. From here onwards, you need to make sure you ensure about the versions here. ECC 5.0, then ECC 6.0, ECC 6.0, 6.0. After 5.0, they have released 6.0 in so 2005. 2005 they have released it. After that, they have not released the ECC 7. ECC means it's one of the SAP product here. ECC, NetWeaver, CRM, SRM, BW, so PI, PO, Fury, S4 HANA. So these all are the SAP applications, SAP softwares, SAP products. These all are the SAP products here. So depends upon the our business use case. We have to depends upon the business use case. We have to install the we have to depends upon the business use case. We have to install the related SAP applications. We have to install it here, right? So that is the one thing here. So after the ECC 6.0, SAP released the SAP EHP 1 for ECC 6.0. Then there is no 7.0 here. Then EHP2, then EHP3, then EHP4, then EHP5, then EHP5, then EHP6, then EHP7, then EHP8 is the last version here. EHP8 is the last version they have released it here. EHP7, EHP8 is the last here. After that, after that they changed it from how they have R1, R2 to ECC. Then after that they changed the version to the S4 HANA, S4 HANA, S4 HANA business suites. They have released it here. That is the they have introduced it in the 2015 Feb month. So they have introduced the S4 on our version here. But still, we have the support for the we have support for the ECC, but not the oldest versions. And also 5.0 and this versions, we have the latest version in the ECC is the EHP8 is the latest version here. Then after that, they have started releasing the S4 HANA systems here. S4 yeah, HANA S4 HANA systems here. Latest version S4 HANA systems here, right? 2015, then 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20, up to here, all the normal SAP. So HANA versions are there here, right? These all are the ECC. Why? Because our main thing is the ECC here. Everybody will ask, everybody so will use the ECC systems are the main critical system for the business here. ECC systems are the main critical system for the business here. So here in these systems, we will do the all kind of activities and everything. We will perform it here. All kind of activities we will perform it in this here, right? So ECC and The next one is called the S4 HANA systems here, right? S4 HANA is the next advanced version of the your ECC systems here. Next advanced version here. After the ECC, S4 HANA here. So let's talk about the S4 HANA versions as well here. S4 HANA versions and finance versions and everything here. So here S4 HANA versions here. So here, so we have the S4 HANA versions on-premise systems we have here. So there is a S4 HANA S4 HANA. So 1511, 1511, then S4 HANA. Just versions you can just remember 1610, then S4 HANA 1709, then S4 HANA 1808, but 1809 only, 2018 09th month, 2017 09th month, then then, so S4 HANA, S4 HANA 1909, 1909, 1909, then S4 HANA 2000, then they are changed the version to the 2000 version. Then, so then S4 HANA, then 2000, so 1, 2002, 2003. So then, so like that, so 20, like that they have changed the, they have released the versions into the 2021. Then S4 HANA, sorry, S4 HANA, S4 HANA, then 2022, 2023. So like that they have started versions 2023 now. Now 2020, 2023 only the last version here. There is no 2024 here. Like that they have started the versions history versions. They have started releasing the versions into the market here. Release versions into the market here. That is what the S4 HANA. That is called the S4 HANA versions here, right? S4 HANA is the main here. So nowadays, every company, they are using the S4 HANA systems here, S4 HANA. So S4 HANA means so it's a, so 16, after the 1609, then 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. So 2020, 2020, not the 2020, 2020, then 2021, then 2022, like this. Now it's a 20 plus 4 on 2022 and 2023 also released into the market here. That is the latest S4 HANA version they have released based upon the year, year plus month, year, the based upon the year they have started releasing it here. They have started releasing the systems and everything here. It's a business suite. S4HANA is one of the business suite system that will allows companies to analyze the data, perform the transactions in the real-time operations. It's a based upon the S4HANA will run based upon the in-memory database. Here, it has the fully advanced technologies like it is includes fully advanced technologies like AI, machine learning, and so all those things here. So here the S4 stands for the simplified fourth generation business suite here, right? SAP, the keep on releasing the more updates, upgrades into the here, right? If someone asks you what is the S4HANA means, it's the most advanced version of the S4HANA. So then it's the next advanced version of the ECC. So the current version is the 2023. The initial version is the 1511, 2015-11. So they have started here, right? So like this, we can inform if anyone asks this type of questions here, right? So coming to the our topics here, the first topics, these are the some so first topics which we are going to discuss about the, so installations part, installations, SAP installations here. Installations means SAP installations means here, so installing the SAP systems here, any SAP system here, installing the any SAP systems here, installing the any SAP systems here, right? So that is what the installation means, in installing the SAP system here, right? So that is what we have to do it here. So as part of the installation topic, installation will comes under the implementation areas here. So coming to the projects wise, we will get the SAP build project, which means installation project, SAP support project. Support project means all the support level activities and everything. So support level activities and everything here. So support level activities. Then after that, SAP, so migrations project. So conversions project, everything here. So only rare cases you will get the support level activities and everything here, right? So rare cases you will get the support level activities and everything here, right? So that is what we have to do here. So build project. Build project means systems building, means installation of the systems project and everything here, right? Let me just 1 minute. Someone asked me to sharing the meeting link in the group. So build a project. Build a project means installations, so implementations, all. So the build a project means if you want to install the SAP system, so straight away we can install it. But that installation falls under the implementation area. Implementation means we have to follow the SAP SAP methodologies. There is some methodologies are there. SAP SAP methodologies we need to follow it here. SAP SAP methodologies we need to follow it here to get the information here. SAP SAP methodologies, right? SAP SAP methodologies here. So that is in the SAP methodology means the installations will come. So because every project, if you want to implement the project, every project there is a one procedure we have to follow to track that, to simplify the resourcing part, the project manager's part, to tracking the hours estimations and everything. So we need to follow the SAP implementation strategy. We need to follow it here. So means installations will come under the implementation. As part of the SAP implementation project, what are the things we have to do, right? What are the things you have to perform as part of the SAP installation project here? So that one, so maybe, yeah, I can explain tomorrow, maybe because it's a short call. I see few members are still not joined. They're asking now. So share the meeting link now. Okay. So I will stop it here for now.